Not all of the apps on your iPhone are on your home screen pages. Some of them are tucked away in the app library. You can get to that by swiping all the way to the far right like I did, and this shows all the apps installed on your phone. You can browse through them. They're categorized by iPhone automatically into these different categories. You can search for them here. You can browse through the whole list. This little cloud with a down arrow shows that this app was installed previously, but it's currently not installed on your phone. The ones that don't have that cloud are installed currently. So if you find an app here that is not on your home screen and you want to get it back on your home screen, all you have to do, I actually don't know which one would be on there, so let's hide one. I'll tap and hold on this, and I'll tap on remove app, and I'll tap on remove from home screen. Now it's gone from here, but it's still in the app library. It's still installed on our phone, or it had that cloud with the down arrow. So it's still data. There's still data for that app. So I'll just search for it. That's the local ski hill app. So I'll just tap and hold on this, and I can drag it back onto the home screen. Let's put it back where it was right there. And now that app is back on our home screen. And you can move apps back and forth however you like. The way I have my wallpaper set up, I kind of have the wallpaper content in the bottom and my apps in the top. I kind of like how that layout works in most cases. So I have a lot of apps that I hide on my phone, even though I still want them installed. If this video helps you, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to get more space back on your phone. Because who doesn't want more space? So check out that video next, and I'll see you there.